Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make AE like text on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to generate captions here because I think it's just easier and quicker. But you can just type it one by one if you'd like to. Just be patient because sometimes it does take longer the longer your video is. I'm just going to delete the video so you guys can like see the text. I'm also just going to adjust the font size, not that much. And I'm going to place it on top dressing press. You're going to also search for like a font that you want to use. Is there the Poppins one? Let's do Poppins bold, and I'm going to do it like all caps. And then I'm just going to slant it a little bit. Then you're going to go to effects here and you're going to add the ripples effect to it. Wait, is it this one or this one? Let's add this one. You can kind of adjust the blur and the twist and strength and stuff like that if you'd like to. Then you're also going to add in edge glow to it. Like so. Okay, I guess this one, because that one didn't even show up. Okay, so if this doesn't work, you're just going to select your text and then add glow here. Adjust the intensity. You don't want that much. And that's pretty much it, really super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.